everyone, and welcome to your own YouTube channel, Let's Learn Computer. Today I am going to tell you about the commands that we used in Logo to move our turtle. In last PPT, I also told you that Logo is a language of graphic oriented that is used to draw drawings, figures, shapes, or for calculation or to write sentences. Now let's start our Logo commands. Now, logo commands are the instructions that you give to the turtle to draw any figure. वो कमांड्स जो हम यूज़ करते हैं लोगो को मूव करने के लिए, लाइंस बनाने के लिए, शेप्स बनाने के लिए, that are called logo commands. Now, as you see also in this picture that FD50 is written here, RT90, FD50, RT90. They are the commands. We write commands with the number and with the word. If we want to move our turtle to the left side, we write left or short form is LT. And if we move the turtle to the right, we write RT or right command with the number of steps like 90, 50 or whatever you want. Then there are four commands for the movements, that is FT, LT, RT and BK. Four commands we use to move the turtle to different directions. Now number what we are writing, number of steps, that is the angle on which we are going to move our turtle to the next position. Now moving commands. Moving command is first we will do a forward or FD command. Moving command is FD and BK. I just told you that is moving. Forward command is used to move the turtle in forward direction. That is in the on the where the head of the turtle lies, on that direction we want to move on next steps. Then we write FD command with the number of steps. Or if we want to move the turtle to the back side, we use backward or BK command. That is used to move the turtle to the back side at is its tail position. We write BK with the number of steps. How many steps you want to move into the back position. Then we have turning commands. Turning commands are to make the turtle move to the right or left. You have to turn the head of the turtle. How many steps you want to move the turtle without drawing a line. So we just write RT or right command with the number of steps, or we write left LT with the number of steps to move the turtle to that direction. It can move 360 degrees on its location. Then we have hiding and showing the turtle command also, that if we want, after making our drawing, we want to show the turtle or we have to hide the turtle. For hide turtle there is HT command, the short form. These are the short forms of the commands. First we write the hide turtle or HT in the command input box. In last PPT also I told you that whatever we write on commands, that we write in the command input box and then we press the execute button to run that command. So we write hide turtle or HT on the command input box. Then if we want to show the turtle, after showing making your drawing and hiding turtle, if you want to turtle back to the screen, then you can write ST or show turtle in the command input box to show your turtle. Then next is pen commands. Pen commands, turtle have a pen on its head position, so which is used to draw the lines. And when we want to we don't want to draw any line and moving the turtle to the next direction, then we use pen up command to make pen to move turtle without making any line. So pen up command or PU command we use to move the pen to make the pen invisible. So if you want to move the turtle without making any line, you can write pen up command PU and then use your FD and BK commands to move the turtle. Then next we have pen down command. Pen down command is that the command that is used to move the pen again to make a lines. So you can write PD command and then you can write the movement commands to write the lines. Next we have erasing commands. If you want to erase your drawing, you can write simple clear screen or CS in the command input box to clear your drawing, or to erase your drawing from the window. Then clear text. If you want to clear the text which you have written the commands like given in the picture also, if you write clear text, the all commands which you have written, that all get erased from the logo screen. And then you have another command, that is pen erase. This command is used to erase a line while moving the turtle. Then home command. Home command means if you have made the your drawing and you want the turtle to its home center position, you can simple write home command, HOME, home, and then press the enter key, or you can press the execute button which is given on the logo screen to move that, to do that command execute. Then by command is used to exit the logo screen or to close the logo. By writing by in the command input box, you can close the logo window. Then there are some figures in logo that you can use. These are the syntax to write your to draw your square in your logo screen. FD 100 means FD is the forward position and 100 are the steps in how many numbers you want to move the turtle. Then RT 90 is the angle on which the turtle heads move to that direction. Then again FD 100 and RT 90. These all are the syntax to write to draw your square in the logo screen. Then if you want to write the alphabet, you can also write that by writing this syntax by giving the forward direction, backward direction, or and the different angles, that is RT and LT. Only right and left position with the number of steps of that alphabet. Thank you. This is all.